Okay, good morning everyone. I am formally opening this Zoom presentation and I am your presenter, Maria Jeanette Sajones, a Platinum Leader dito po sa Live Good, ang company na pag-uusapan po ngayon. And a little background about me, nagtrabaho po ako sa corporate world. So I was a former anchor and promotions, local TV host, in Sky TV, Sky Cable Baguio. Nagtrabaho din po tayo as a telephone operator and customer service representative sa isang kilalang telecommunication company, which is PLDT. Yan. And I am also a Feng Shui consultant. So although when I came to Canada, bali, naiwanan ko po yun for a while, but I am working on it on the second quarter of this year. And also I'm a master Reiki, and the reason why I ventured on master Reiki because I am so passionate about energy, because I believe everything in this world is energy, and even money is energy. You just have to attract it. And very important po ang energy natin, because ginagamit natin lahat yan in all forms. Ginagamit natin in communication, in solving problem, even in mastering ourselves, kailangan natin ng energy. And the more that you know or you master the energy, well, you become a steward of energy. And syempre, pag nakakapagbigay ka ng energy, nakakapag-transfer ka ng energy, nakakapag-emit ka ng tamang energy, then that would be beneficial to those people na mabibigyan mo ng mga yan. Yan. So also, I'm a licensed Zumba instructor, and naka-project din po tayo dyan to work on our Zumba class, probably at the end of the quarter naman of this year. So, eto pa po, since I am tasked na isa sa mga speakers dito sa ating DMW team, I also working on my personal development, trying to level up, para naman po may ma-share ko po ako sa inyo, especially that this business, this industry is a building relationship business, no? Ayan. And I would also say that I am an entrepreneur with an active job, because I am a self-employed, and naka-assign po tayo sa healthcare ngayon, nasa recreational team po tayo, and I am dealing with seniors, no? Yan. So I go with them sa kanilang recreation activities. I help them sa kanilang bingo. If they have some programs, nag-join po tayo. And well, it is good to be working with the seniors. Ang daming realization din doon that na when you get old, ang hirap din pala, no? Yan. So we have to really just enjoy life and make sure that you create an impact, you make a difference, and always be kind. And you have to travel, you have to enjoy while you can. Yun ang isang maraming mga a few of my realizations dealing with seniors, na pag tumanda ka pala, regardless kung CEO ka noon o kaya ganito ang hawak mo, pag talagang nag-breakdown na pala ang brain mo and talagang dumating ka na sa point na bumigay yung brain mo, helpless ka na pala, no? So just make sure that you are aging gracefully. Alam niyo po, ang aging is a privilege, but doing it gracefully is an art, no? Ayan, so lagi po kayong ngumiti, lagi po kayong mapagpasalamat, at lagi kayong magmahal para po gumaganda hindi lang ang inyong sarili, ang inyong puso, pati ang inyong buhay. Yan, okay? So, today, andito po ako ngayon. I am tasked to talk about the company that I am in, no? And we are all in. Yung mga andito po, na most of you na andito, no? So, it is Live Good, the company, and it is the membership that pays, no? Alam niyo po, kakaiba ang pag-uusapan natin. I could call it a revolution. And what makes it a revolution, mamaya malalaman niyo, no? Although, nakaka-excite na talagang pag-usapan to, because this company has pioneered the membership that pays model in the multi-level marketing industry. Never in the history of the MLM nagkaroon ng isang concept na membership that pays, no? Although itong concept na to has been used already like 10 years ago. In fact, marami na pong gumagawa niyan, no? But then ngayon mas lalong namayagpag ang ganitong concept kasi they have realized that ang dami palang pwedeng mangyari sa ganitong concept na to. And besides, mas predictable siya. And then yung revenue is recurring. At the same time, it is beneficial for both the business owners at the same time sa mga consumers. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, itong model na to, ginagamit na. Look at your cell phone doon sa App Store ninyo. If you would notice, lahat ng andyan, ganyan na po ang concept. Why? Dahil nag-iba na ang behaviors ng marketplace. People no longer are enticed with heavy or expensive products. In fact, they are moving away from expensive products and moving towards affordability and value. Ganun po yun, no? So, our CEO, yung nag-conceptualize ng ating ganitong concept, have realized na ito na ang kailangan ngayon ng marketplace. And it's true, even business owners, na-realize nila na nag-iiba na ang behavior ng marketplace. So, dapat naka-align tayo doon. Or else, mai-stagnate yung kanilang business. At the same time, hindi mo na suservisan ang demand ng marketplace, di ba? So if you are truly someone who would want value, then you have to know the demand of the marketplace. Yan. So, yung membership that pays na yan, no? Hindi na po bago yan. In fact, itong ipapakita ko po sa inyo sa slide na to, very familiar sa inyo, right? Number one dyan, ang Amazon. So, may backstory dyan later on, no? Nag-shift siya sa ganitong concept na subscription model nung early 2000. And paano ngayon ang ginagawa ni Amazon? Merong tinatawag na Amazon Prime wherein you get to pay a certain amount either per month or per year, no? So very flexible siya. And then may enjoy mo yung benefit. So I am actually a member of Amazon. So meron akong Prime membership. And what do I get? Yes, I pay $14.99 in exchange of what? Yung services ni Amazon. I get same-day delivery. Pag nag-order ako ng item sa Amazon, I get a 1 credit per month. So ginagamit ko yon to have an audiobook. And then meron pang, alam niyo, yung mga latest na movie na wala pa sa Netflix, napapanood din dyan. Kasama yan sa membership sa Amazon. And is it flourishing si Amazon? Tignan niyo naman yung numbers niya. It's 200 million members na. So, ano masasabi natin dyan? It's huge, di ba? Yan. Another disruptor si Netflix, no? Si Netflix is a kind of platform who offers a wide variety of movies. So, ino-offer niya yan, provided that mag-subscribe ka sa kanya at ng how much? 9.99. And alam niyo naman si Netflix na mayagpag siya during the time of pandemic nung hindi makalabas yung mga tao, no? So, na-appreciate ng mga consumers yon, ng mga tao, because pwede palang manood na nasa loob ka ng bahay at the same time, hindi lang iisang movie. Pwede kang, ano yung tawag doon? Movie marathon. And even after pandemic, namayagpag pa rin ng Netflix. And in fact, yung mga producers ngayon, yung mga filmmakers, they are collaborating with Netflix. Why? Kasi madalang na rin ang mga nanonood sa sinehan, di ba? Maliban na lang kung talagang yung artista na papanorin sa widescreen ay talagang sikat na sikat. Pero ngayon, consumers, majority of the consumers prefer Netflix, no? And ilang members ngayon si Netflix? 240 million members. Wow, another huge number, no? Yan, si Sam's Club and Costco. Yan, I'm a member of Costco for like 10 years now. Yes, I am paying $120 per year. So, Janet, ibig sabihin nag-grocery ka every month? Hindi. Pero bakit mo na-enjoy? Ba't ka nag-member dyan? Nababawi mo ba yung $120 na binabayaran mo per year kung hindi ka nag-shopping or nag-grocery every month? Oo, kasi itong isang item alone, itong ginagamit ko, o kinuha ko siya $69 sa Costco. Ngayon, nagtanong ako ng price sa labas dahil gusto kong kumuha uli. Dahil naubusan na si Costco, it's 130. So, ibig sabihin, I'm saving one item lang 50%. So, how much more yung ibang items, di ba? Kasi sa Costco, andyan na lahat. Andyan ang appliances, andyan ang medications, andyan ang perfume. You name it, they have it. No? Yan, and namamayagpag ba si Costco? Of course. Meron ng 123 million members si Costco. In fact, hindi na nga updated yan. And another one, Disney Plus, kagaya ni Netflix. You get to pay monthly or yearly. Nagpo-produce din sila ng mga movies. Nag-o-offer sila ng mga movies produced by their own company. Yun naman ang bentahin nila, no? And Disney Plus has 150 million members na. So if you will see these numbers, it's very huge. And bakit ganito kalaki? Now, that would just prove na talagang ang membership model is the future of e-commerce. And the good news is that is where we are going, no? Diyan papunta yung company na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Now, ang kaibahan ni Live Good sa mga binanggit ko na membership club is that kahit na may exclusivities, kahit na may freebies, kahit na may credits dyan, they don't pay us. But with Live Good, they pay us. Why? Because may naka-attach na affiliate program sa loob ng membership. Yun ang kaibahan natin. Kaya tayo angat sa kanila. So, Live Good is a blend of membership club with an affiliate program na naka-attach. With an affiliate program attached to it. So, di ba? Napakaganda. So, once na nakita mo ang Live Good, hindi mo talaga siya hindi mo talaga siya mabibitawan. Like, if you truly see Live Good, you can never unsee it. Huh? Yan. Okay. So, a little backstory para mas ma-appreciate ninyo na talagang nag-work ba, Janet, yung ganyang membership model? No? Yeah. Oh, eto na, si Amazon. Kikwentuhan ko kayo. Short kwento lang, no? Si Amazon, nag-umpisa siya noong July 16, 1995 in his own backyard with 250,000 na puhunan, no? Selling books online. That was July 16, 1995. Ngayon, anong sumunod dyan? Well, in the early 2000s, Amazon expanded well beyond books, videos, and music, offering clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenwares, and even magazine subscriptions. Ngayon, nasaan si Amazon? Existing pa ba? Of course, hindi lang existing. Thriving pa siya. Namamayagpag pa siya. Books lang ba ang meron kay Amazon? Hindi. Bukod dyan sa binanggit ko, marami pa. Kutsara, lipstick, kahit na anong maisip mo, meron si Amazon. Ilang years na, 1995 siya nag-umpisa. 1995, 2005, 2015, 2025, ilang years na siya. Now, paganahin nyo ang imagination nyo. If we are the baby Amazon, saan tayo papunta? Imagine ninyo. You know what? Imagination will make you infinite. No? Ayan. Actually, kahit na hindi natin pag-usapan yung sustainability, alam nyo na kung saan tayo papunta, di ba? O, di ba? Pinapalakpakan yan. Very exciting, di ba? Yan. Now, ito ngayon si Live Good, yung pag-uusapan natin. Nag-launch naman siya, very fresh pa, December 13, 2022. From Jupiter, Florida, with its business model of a wholesale membership club. So, nag 2 years tayo, no? December 13, 2024, di ba? And, anong meron dyan? Wholesale membership club na kagaya ni Costco. Okay, so it is the first home-based business opportunity that profit share its membership revenue with affiliates. Wow, may profit share its membership sa mga affiliates. Sino yung mga yun? Well, kung gusto mong sumama sa affiliate program, it could be you, di ba? Yan. And Live Good, again, is the membership that pays. Live Good's revenue comes from the membership and not from the product sales. Now, remember, binanggit ko po kanina na this company pioneered the membership that pays model in the multi-level marketing industry. So if you think of multi-level marketing, it has been there for like almost 100 years. Maganda ang industriya ng multi-level marketing. Only that, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, yung mga companies na dumarating ay nakafocus na more on recruitment, more on product sales, more on heavy team volumes. So nawawala na yung essence ng totoong concept ng network marketing. Kasi kung tutuusin, talagang ang dami namang natulungan ng ganitong industriya. But then, people have become greedy. Ang nangyayari na is yung mga latest na companies ngayon, they try to make products and then overprice them, oversell them, at nagkakaroon pa ng price gouging. Just to be what? Para maging attractive sa mga customers, sa mga distributors. At para mabayaran ng commissions yung mga mangilan-ngilan. Bakit mangilan-ngilan? Because yung nangyayari ngayon, sometime 8 years ago, ang kumikita na lang sa multi-level marketing, you know what, kung ilan? Only 5%. 5% ang kumikita ng roughly nasa $300 to $500 a month. No? Yung 1% kumikita, yun yung siguro mga nakaka 2,000 to 3,000. Saan nga napunta yung 95%? Sila ang mga hindi kumikita. That is why nagkaroon ng bad image ang network marketing na noon actually is napakaganda. Why? Because it does not deliver anymore yung dapat na gawin niya, no? It doesn't deliver anymore on what it is supposed to be. So, naging greedy yung mga tao. Naging greedy yung mga company owners. And there are only a few people na nababayaran, no? And worst of it, it is not helping people. It is hurting people. It is hurting a single mom na gusto lang magkaroon ng extra income. No? Yan. Okay. Ang good news about Live Good is on its first year, nagkaroon kaagad tayo ng 1 million members. Yes, you heard it right. 1 million members. Never ever in the history of multi-level marketing nagkaroon ng ganyan kalaking members in 1 year. And not even Amazon nagawa yon. Nagawa ni Amazon ang 1 million members kailan? On its second year. So alam nyo na kung gaano tayo tatagal. Kung si Amazon, after 2 years, saka lang niya na-reach ang ganon, at wala pa siyang membership that pays model, hanggang ngayon nag-i-exist. How much more si Live Good na merong affiliate program? At how much more kung si Live Good ay meron ng 1 million members on its first year? At alam nyo ba kung ilan na tayo ngayon? 1.7 million members. Pero katiting pa lang yan doon sa numbers ng mga binanggit ko po na existing pa rin. Diba? So, isn't that amazing? Isn't that exciting? Diba? So, lawak-lawakan ninyo ang inyong kaisipan at tingin sa Live Good dahil kakaiba ito. No? And mind you, on its first year, ang payout po ni Live Good ay $50 million. Why? Because we have a generous compensation plan. So we are not just a membership club, we're also an affiliate marketing. Okay? Yan. And syempre, very important na kilalanin natin ang ating CEO. Ang ating CEO is very expert in this field dahil he also started from the ranks. Network marketer din siya. In fact, he retired from this industry 5 years ago dahil dun nga niya nakita na the industry has turned out to be broken. no? Naging sick care model siya because it does not deliver anymore yung talagang intention, no? Sabi nga niya, we are teaching, we are preaching that this industry gonna help us to build a residual income, but then people have been greedy. 6 years ago, I retired from this company, sabi niya. And alam niyo po, si Ben, hindi siya ordinary network marketer. He is also a businessman. And with over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, he knows how to help people win. So, ibig sabihin, dahil nga expert na siya dyan, nagtayo na siya ng mga companies, and then IT guy pa siya, expert pa siya ng marketing plan, alam niya kung paano ang mga challenges ng mga network marketers. That is why, nung nakita na niya na hindi na tama yung yung system na to, nag-retire siya. But, iniisip pa rin niya na someone has to conceptualize a company na kagaya ng Costco. Yan, doon sila nag-usap ni Noder Kazan na makikita nyo on the next slide, no? Yan, si Noder Kazan. They have been business partners for so long. If you combine their experience, no? Roughly mga 50 years of experience yan. So, alam na nila kung ano yung mga sakit ng mga network marketing companies. Alam din nila ng isang product, pag pinuduce yan o manufacture, nasa 8 to $10 lang ang cost at nagma-markup ng times 10, times 20, times at talagang overpriced siya just so to pay some of the distributors, no? Yan. So, ang maganda niyan is aside from Noder and Ben Glinsky, meron tayong dalawa na kasama sa corporate team na hindi sila network marketer, but they are an expert pagdating sa health and wellness. And we are very blessed that we have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development, ang formulator natin, because he has a background of being a pharmacist at the same time, a natural health practitioner. So, he makes sure, no, na he is also tired of the sick care model ng mga pharmaceuticals. So, sabi niya, I formulate the products not to sell, but for my family to use. So, pag ipapagamit niya sa pamilya niya, he will make sure that it is the cleanest, purest, herbicide-free, toxic-free yung ating mga products, no? And in fact, nilala niya yung mga mga farmers, alam niya kung saan ina-extract yung yung mga ingredients ng products natin. So, ingat na ingat siya when it comes to formulation of products. In fact, very transparent siya when it comes to that. Hindi niya nilalabas ang isang produkto kung hindi na meet yung necessary na yung talagang standard na sinasabi, gaya nung nangyari doon sa sleep gummies natin, no? Hindi niya nilabas yun kasi nag-fail doon sa test. So, that's how thorough, how detailed si Dr. Ryan. No? And of course, we have Lisa Goodkin, the Director of Product Education. She embodies health and wellness when it comes to anong tinatawag, healthy lifestyle, healthy living. Lisa is the go-to person. Very responsive siya. She lives health. She lives wellness. She embodies health and wellness and healthy living, no? Yeah. So we are very blessed because we have this corporate team. Sabi nga everything rise and fall with leadership. So we have a good leadership. We have a very good corporate team, very transparent, very mission-driven and vision-driven. So ano ibig sabihin yan? Pag ganyan ang namumuno, well, ibig sabihin yan, it would also follow. Now, if we resonate with them, ganun din, no? We will embody transparency, truthfulness, honesty, love, and kindness. Huh? Yan. Okay, so alam niyo po tayo nag-umpisa sa ating health and wellness products with high quality organic products. Tapos certified pa siya, USDA approved, GMP certified with very affordable natural products. Now, bakit natin inumpisahan sa natural products or sa health products? It is because the world is so unhealthy na. And people are not conscious anymore of their health. And we have to admit that. Tayo mahilig sa fast food. And nakakatakot ngayon dahil hindi na tayo sure kung talagang healthy pa ba ang mga kinakain natin. Sure ba tayo na yung mga vegetables and fruits ay talagang fresh? 'Di ba? Laging inisprayan yan ng pesticides, no? And even yung mansanas, 'di ba? Talagang ito, totoo to. Meron ako nakausap na sila sa isang manufacturing company din. No? So, pinabalot daw nila yung mga mansanas at talagang may ini-inject. Alam nyo kung ano ini-inject? Formalin. Para tumagal yung mansanas. At para saan ang formalin? Para sa patay. No? Buhay pa tayo, pinapatay na. So, pag yun kinain mo, ano mangyayari sa'yo? Of course, nakakain mo yung toxins, no? Tapos hindi ka gumagamit ng supplements. So doon na ngayon papasok ang Live Good supplements. So we have to make sure that we really have to take care of our health. Being healthy is non-negotiable. Before you even think about making money, you think about being healthy. Nakakita ba kayo ng bata pa lang? 16 years old, may diabetes na. Nakakita ba kayo ng 13 years old, may Crohn's disease na? Alam niyo kung ano yung Crohn's disease? Sa bituka. Bakit? Dahil sa kinakain. No? So nakakatakot kung hindi ka magsusupplement. That's why supplementation is a must. Supplementation is non-negotiable. Kaya ko po dinidiinan ito dahil we really have to get serious with our health. We have to be proactive instead of reactive. Huwag mo nang antayin na may symptoms ka bago ka mag-act na uminom ng supplements. Pansinin nyo, kung sino yung mga nasanay sa organic sa mga supplements, sila ang matagal ang buhay. At sila ang tignan nyo yung, i-compare nyo yung mga itsura nila physically sa mga hindi nagsa-supplements. No? Yan. So it is time to make a change. Yan. Now, ang good news about our products, we have the highest quality at the lowest price. And we could prove that in this slide. No? Kaya po nang sabi natin, ang Live Good, ang focus niya, ang mission niya is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without spending a fortune to do it, without breaking the bank of the consumers. So to prove that, ito meron tayong 3 product versus 3 product ng isang network marketing company. Ipapakita natin kung gaano kalaki ang price difference. So if you have to compare that, we are saving 70% if we compare our prices with our competitors. Number 1 is the Super Greens. No? Ang Super Greens natin ay Power Pack Super Greens. Merong aloe vera, merong spirulina, merong barley, merong wheatgrass, merong dandelion. Lahat ng greens andyan. Moringa, which is the miracle plant. Spirulina, the natural antibiotic, and so on and so forth for only $18. This is good for overall health and at the same time sa gut natin, no? Alam niyo po, wag niyong ipagsawalang bahala ang bituka kasi yan, connected din po yan sa brain because actually our gut is the second brain. Kaya if you feel some abnormalities dyan sa bituka ninyo, nako, mag-probiotics po kayo at mag-super greens kayo. No? Now, I saw one testimony tungkol dito na I think myoma pa nga daw eh. Lumiit or nawala because of the super greens. Ha? I just saw it this morning. May nag-testimony about that. No, pinost yata ni Coach Harold. Yeah. So $18 versus competitor 99.99. Tayo USDA approved, GMP certified. Ang USDA approval hindi per product, per ingredient ng bawat product. So lahat ng ingredients ng Super Green USDA approved yan. So USDA approved yung moringa, USDA approved yung barley, every ingredient of the product, hindi lang every product. Okay? Tatandaan niyo po yan ha. Every ingredient of the product na andyan. Okay? Yan. So second is the protein, no? Yung ating plant-based protein, very Powerful po ito para sa pag-maintain ng ating lean muscle because you know, muscle loss is one of the sign of aging. And kailangan natin yan. Lahat naman tayo tumatanda, no? Nagmamature, tumatanda. But it is also good that we really have to age gracefully. Yung dinidelay natin yung ating pag-age para mas lalong maging productive tayo. And our protein has pea protein, hemp protein, and then 21 amino acids. So for only $22 versus 62.95. Huge, di ba? Ang difference. And number 3, we have our collagen peptides, the very powerful fast-acting collagen. Kailangan natin ng collagen. In fact, collagen is a billion-dollar industry. Why? Alam niyo po, madali na pong ma-deplete ang ating collagen ngayon sa katawan as early as mid-20s. Why? Because of radiation. Itong 5G technology kung minsan ang nako-compromise yung health natin. Exposed tayo masyado sa radiation, so madali tayong mag-wrinkle, madaling mag-mature yung mukha natin, nagkakaroon ng hair fall, tapos yung nails natin madaling maputol, no? Pag ganyan na ang nakikita nyo sa sarili ninyo, then kulang ka malamang sa collagen because collagen is that thing that holds the body together. So kailangan ma-maintain natin yan. So ang maganda sa collagen natin, it is hydrolyzed, easily absorbed by the body. It is bovine source. Bovine source, yung collagen nang galing sa beef or sa cow. Yun ang very potent. Bakit? Dahil similar yun sa human collagen natin. And that is only 27.95 versus sa competitor, 79.96. No? The 3 products alone, we are saving 174.95. A dollar saved is a dollar earned. Kung na-save mo ang ganyang kalaki that with that 3 products alone, how much more sa iba, no? Pag dinagdagan pa natin 'yan. So diyan mo makikita na talagang Live Good is truly a revolution. What created Live Good a revolution is the value. Yung value na magkaroon ka ng affordable products at the highest quality pero at the lowest price. Gone are the days na sinasabi natin na, ay, mahal yan. Siguro high quality. Ngayon, yung sa atin, uy, affordable yan. Pero highest quality. Yan. No? Yan. So you should realize that, no? Lasapin po natin yung ganyan na binibigay ng Live Good. Ito pa, no? Yan. We have International Wellness Pack, isang very powerful na international na pack natin sa Live Good, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for only 99.95. Free shipping pa siya. And these products here are essentials. So pag sinabi mong essential, yung mga andyan na product, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo ito sa routine mo every single day. Especially kung ikaw ay breadwinner. Kung ikaw ay merong isang job na very demanding. Kung ikaw ay laging on the go, no? Ayan. O kaya kung ikaw ay talagang nagmo-multitask, we really need supplements, no? So, let's start with the Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for men or men and women. Very important ang multivitamin sa atin, no? The earlier na mag-umpisa ka mag-supplements, the better. Yan. So, you also have D3K2. No? Oh, by the way, ang vitamin natin, magkaiba ang vitamin ng men for women because we have different physiological needs. Ang lalaki, kailangan niya ng selenium para sa prostate health niya. Ang babae, kailangan niya ng iron to compensate the menstrual loss. No? Diba? Every month, tinadatang tayo. O kaya, pag na-reach mo na yung menopausal age, no? Yung 40 and above, medyo yung period mo naman, grabe, every month, no? So, kailangan ma-replenish yung nawalang iron. So, kakailanganin natin yung multivitamin. Number 2, we have D3K2. Alam nyo ba na yung vitamin na yan or supplement na yan is a sunshine in a bottle. Kailangan natin ito every single day because the D3, no? Alam nyo po, it could also help in our immune system para palakasan ng immune system natin. You know, the best doctor is our body. But in order for our body to function well, We have to make sure na malakas yung immune system natin. Ngayon, kagaya dito sa amin, winter, hindi kami nasisinagan ng araw. Most likely, ang mangyayari pag hindi ka nasisinagan ng araw, humihina yung immune system mo. Doon natin kakailanganin ang D3K2. No? And it is not only a sunshine in a bottle, pero maganda din ito for bone support, maganda din ito for weight management, maganda din po sa muscle. Yan. And also, meron yung aking anak, sabi niya, gumanda daw yung tulog niya because of the D3K2. Kasi yun lang ang inuna kong binigay sa kanya. And she can tell the difference. No? Yan. So, maraming mga testimony sa mga products na to, no? Yan, you could just type kung may testimony ka sa product na yan, kung gumagamit ka, no? At babasahin ko mamaya. We also have Ultra Magnesium Complex. It is that supplement that is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body, no? Any bodily function is responsible ang magnesium, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, kung kulang ka sa magnesium, it would lead you to more serious illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety, heart problems. Lahat ng maisip mong imbalances at sakit, maybe because kulang ka sa magnesium. So very important po yan, ang Ultra Magnesium Complex. We also have Organic Super Greens, nabanggit na natin kanina. Organic Super Reds, that is supplement na maganda para sa ating heart. Dahil as we age po, nadideplete yung ating nitric oxide. The nitric oxide is a molecule na responsible sa pagbuka ng ating mga blood vessels na pag yan nag-shrink o hindi gaanong bumubuka, ang nangyayari, affected yung blood flow mo. Pag affected yung blood flow mo, yung pagdaloy ng dugo sa utak, sa puso, affected din, no? So, since ang ingredient ng Super Reds ay super beets, no? So, at saka iba-iba pa na talagang it could help to improve yung nitric oxide natin. Once na nag-improve yung nitric oxide, then it could also promote good cognitive function. Ang cognitive function andito sa utak. No? it is responsible dun sa brain natin, no? So, alam niyo naman ang brain natin responsible for thinking, for reasoning, for problem solving. So, pag bumigay yan, wala na. 'Di ba? Yan, so very important yan sa atin. And of course, for our health, for our heart, no? Yan. So primarily for our heart. And this is also good for sexual health. Yan. And ano yung isang product natin? Another one in the International Wellness Pack is the Factor for Anti-Inflammatory Product. Maganda po ito for chronic pain. Maganda ito as anti-inflammation. Alam natin na ang root cause ng lahat ng sakit ay inflammation. No? At nangyayari yon saan? Sa loob ng katawan. Now, ang good news sa Factor 4 natin, by the way, ito yung top seller product po natin. Ang good news sa Factor 4 natin ay merong 4 very important anti-inflammatory ingredients na nilagay dyan. Na usually, binibili yun separately. Fish oil, binibili yan separately. CoQ10, garlic, turmeric, no? Yan. Pero pinagsama-sama siya. Kaya very powerful yan. Actually, may kukwento ako sa inyo, no? Yung isang bumili niyan sa akin nung first time. Ngayon, hinahanap-hanap na niya, naka-third bottle na siya. And sabi niya, grabe to. I've tried a lot of anti-inflammatory. Sabi niya, I spent a lot. And thank you. Talagang thank you po siya ng thank you because of the Factor 4. So talagang ang mga produkto natin, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na pocho-pocho lang yan o kaya nilagay lang yan para merong product. No. They are truly USDA approved and GMP certified at talagang fast acting. No? You have to try it. You have to really use the products and be the product of the product. Once na nasubukan mo yan, once na naging produkto ka, ng produkto mo, alam mo, you are unstoppable. Hindi mo ititikom ang bibig mo na sasabihin mong, hindi ko na, maganda to. Hindi eh. You will go out there at sasabihin mo na, ang ganda nitong product na to. And this is not exaggeration. Totoo yan. Hindi ba kayo na nakatry ng mga products? Diba? Si Mami din, ang daming mga ano niyan, testimony sa product, no? Minsan nagkakwentuhan kami, grabe talaga yung ginawa ng product sa kanya. And imagine a healthy you. 'Di ba? Oh, nag-pause ako kasi imagine niyo kung kayo ay nagkasakit. Naku, hindi ho biro-biro 'yan. Alam ko po 'yan dahil meron po akong anak na nagkasakit ng ilang taon. Hindi lang yung tao ang nato-torture, also the family. Tatandaan niyo 'yan, affected lahat po, no? Kaya please appreciate your health and mahalin niyo ang sarili niyo. Love yourself to health. Okay? Ayan. Ito, para mas makita nyo uli, 7 product, 99.95 versus isang product na nakita, 99.95. Ikaw ba bibili ka ng isang product na 99.95? Katumbas lang ng Super Greens na $18 kung bibilin mo separately. Bibili ka ba ng ganitong product kung ang katumbas niyan ay 7 powerful na supplements? Hindi, of course. Kaya ito, dito mo talaga didiinan na once you see Live Good, you cannot unsee it. Kahit pa hindi ka mag-network, gagamit at gagamit ka ng Live Good. Remember, Live Good will be known in the world and it will be a household name. Ito pa, hydration amplifier. Maganda po ito for you to replenish your electrolytes dahil every day nadideplete yung electrolytes natin. Sa pagtulog mo pa lang, pwede kang ma-dehydrate eh. Dahil paggising mo ng umaga, di ba? Naiihi ka. Anong unang gagawin mo? Iihi. So, by that, nadideplete na ang electrolytes mo. Eh kung stress ka pa, kung nagyoyosi ka pa, kung umiinom ka pa, kung nag-exercise ka pa, yan ang mga factors na nadideplete ang electrolytes natin. That is why we need this hydration amplifier. Maganda ito for our energy, for mental clarity. Maganda to to maintain our blood pressure para maging stable, to maintain normal heart rhythm, and so on and so forth. At maganda to to balance your body. Alam mo, pag merong hindi balance sa katawan mo, it affects everything eh. Your mood, the way you deal with people. That's why it is not enough na iinom ka ng tubig because even the water ngayon, di ba sunog na kasi pinaprocess pa rin. That is why we need to have this one. Also, lean. Nako, ayan na po ako. Ang ganda ng testimony ko po talaga dyan, no? Lean is a supplement, not really a weight loss supplement, pero it burns fats without losing your muscles. Ang talagang focus po nito is more on body composition. Kaya nga tinawag na lean BCIF, Body Composition Improved Formula. And it has 4 powerful ingredients din para ma-burn yung fats without losing your muscles. Kara luma, ine-expand sa stomach mo para hindi ka madaling gutumin. Chadibu Gray, ito yung ginagamit ng mga Indian tribe na pag naghahan sila, hindi madaling gutumin, yan ang ginagamit nila, no? Ginangat-ngat nila. Of course, berberine. Yung berberine naman, Ozempic, natural Ozempic. Ang Ozempic po, ginagamit po yan. Meron yung drug na Ozempic na ini-inject dun sa talagang excessive yung kanilang weight, no? But this one, meron po tayo niyan, natural. So, nilagay din sa lean. And of course, we have glucomannan. So, ito maganda din po for people na diabetic, no? May diabetes. Yan. So, hindi lang siya for weight loss, but also for body composition. Ayan, yung aking 90-day journey, I can't believe na ganyan pala ako kalaki noon, no? Yan, hindi po ako buntis dyan, hindi din po ako bagong panganak. Okay, libre po ang mag-bash. Yan. Yan. Yes, ma'am. Sabi ni Ma'am Eden no? Yan. Thanks, dumating si Live Good kaya hindi ko makalimutan si Coach Fernan and his family dahil dinala niya si Live Good sa Pilipinas. Kung walang Live Good, baka ngayon nagsasuffer na ako ng cancer at yellowish. Pagka-yellowish ko, nawala sa tagal ko ng gamit ng mga products. Iba't ibang products, but Live Good nakakuha ng yellowish. Yeah, grabe yung ni Ma'am Eden, no? There was a time na parang akala daw meron siyang, ano bang tawag doon pag nag-yellow ka, jaundice o kaya parang HEPA. Talagang sinasabi daw sa kanya na huwag niyong lapitan yan kasi nagyayelo, baka may sakit yan. Imagine nawala dahil sa Live Good. Lahat na sinubukan na niya, lahat ng company pinasok na niya, nilaklak na po yung mga products ng ibang company. Live Good lang pala ang makakasolve. O, di ba? Walang hype po yan, totoo po yan. No? Ayan, Himalayan Shilajit. This has been used for so many years. Pero ngayon, ang ating Shilajit, merong organic CMO. So very powerful ang Shilajit, especially for the nervous system and brain function. Alam nyo po, kung papapansin nyo po, no, most of our products, ang talagang nakafocus siya sa brain and ang heart, no? Connected po kasi yan, no? Ang seat of emotions po natin, actually, ang seat of emotions natin is the brain, yung hypothalamus. You call it hypothalamus. Kaya nga dapat sabihin natin, I love you with all my hypothalamus, hindi with all my heart. Kaya lang natin sinasabing with all my heart kasi meron yon, nanggagaling yun sa culture na ang heart kasi is symbolism of love. Pero actually, nanggagaling dito. So dito nanggagaling, and then yung heart, yung feeling, yun yung nagdidictate. Ang tawag dyan, feedback loop. So dito nang gagaling, tapos pinaprocess na niya physically. Kaya pag nag-iisip ka na worried ka, ano nangyayari? Ang feedback loop mo doon is nagpapalpitate ka, nininervyos ka, natataranta ka, ganon. So it all comes from the brain. Di ba? Yan. Tapos susunod na yung body mo. Kaya connected yan. Kaya kailangan alagaan natin how we think, alagaan natin talaga yung ating brain, ha? Yan, huwag mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Positive lang tayo lagi. Okay, we also have detox, chlorophyll and zeolite detox. Sa mga mahilig ng fast food, sa mga hindi sigurado na safe pa ba ang kinakain natin, lahat tayo kailangan mag-detox, no? It would boost our energy, promotes clearer skin, and enhances immune function. And you use the chlorophyll detox before bedtime or before bedtime and early morning. Narinig ko yun na sinabi ni Doc Ryan, no? Para mag-bind yung toxins and then i-eliminate mo siya sa umaga. Okay? Are you learning, guys? No? So, hindi natin i-discuss lahat ng mga products, no? Binibigyan ko lang ng highlights some of the products para mas ma-appreciate nyo na hindi lang basta-basta yung company natin. We are the baby Amazon. We are the Amazon of social marketing, and we will be the Amazon of network marketing. That's for sure. No? Yan. So, Live Good will be the next Amazon of social marketing, but take note, we are not a health and wellness company. Hindi tayo collagen company, hindi tayo coffee company, hindi tayo protein company. We are a membership club. So ano ibig sabihin nun? We could put anything under our membership, kagaya ni Amazon. Isn't that exciting? Yeah? Yan. Okay, so ano pa? Live Good launch with health and well-being products as a result of COVID and elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. Kaya ni-launch ang health and wellness products because of the COVID. Hindi na natin alam kung anong meron sa mundong ito. That is why you have to shield yourselves with supplements. Utang na loob, magpaka-healthy po tayo. Saka mo lang ma-appreciate ang health pag ikaw ay nagkasakit. 'Di ba? So, ngayon pa lang, kahit na healthy ka, even if you think that you are eating healthy foods, naku po, wag ho kayong magpakasigurado dahil hindi natin alam yung pollution na andyan sa labas, yung hangin na nalalanghap natin, no? Kaya it is best na mag-supplement po tayo. Okay, Live Good will be your one-stop online wholesale store, and Live Good is a membership club, and it is there to offer more. We just started with the health and wellness, pero magkakaroon tayo ng maraming produkto pa na nanggagaling sa ibang industriya. Okay, like travel. How would you feel pag halimbawang in-offer na meron na tayong products na galing sa travel industry? Probably airfare, right? So nanggaling din yan sa kanila. Is it possible? Of course. Why? Because we are 1.7 million strong. Why? May ready market tayo. Why? Dahil mag-uunahan ng mga suppliers at sinabi yan ni Noder, no? So, and we are growing every single day. Hundreds of people are joining every day. So aside from travel, ano pang pwedeng ilagay natin sa membership club natin? Household products, skincare, andyan na hinihintay na lang yung isa kasi na-ship siya by land, no? Ayan. So skincare is a billion-dollar industry as well, di ba? Of course, we have water filters. And what's more, pwede din tayong maglagay ng online services. Pharmacy space na tap na natin, right? We have 2 products, yung Ozempic. So ano ang tinap ang pharmacy? Parang si Costco. Meron siyang pharmacy sa loob. No? Ganon din. Meron tayong pharmacy dito, but we are not promoting drug. The reason why we tap this one is we tap the pharmacy space para later on, yung mga gumagamit ng drug na yun, ma-convert natin to use organic products. And alam nyo kung ilan ang market noon, yung tinap natin ng pharmacy, yung drug na yon, 40 million users. Ibig sabihin, gumagamit na noon. So what if ma-convert mo yon? Kahit na hindi na yung 40 million, 1% na lang tayo. Ilan ang 1% ng 40 million? Oh, see? That's why you have to play with your imagination. At tignan nyo ng malayuan ang Live Good. Okay? Yan. And why do you have to join Live Good? Ito na, didiinan ko pa lalo. Bukod sa products, because we have amazing products and we have more to come. We have 27 products. Pag dumating ang skincare plus 4, 31. So, ang dami pang pwede na kumbaga upcoming products, yung mga ano pa, yung Vitality, ayan, dumating na. Yung sleep gummies, in-experiment pa lang niya. Actually, nagro-run sila ng another test. Ang dami pang parating, no? Yan. And of course, we have incredible wholesale pricing. Very lean ang profit. Ano sabi ni Dr. Ryan dun sa skincare? Sabi niya, we've been battling with the price. Kasi nung nagbigay daw ng pricing si Ben, don't you think that's too low? Sabi nila, no, we just want to keep it there for the distributors to avail of it at a lower price, 'di ba? So imagine, no? Yan, magkano kaya yung serum lang? Magkano ang serum? I have my serum, yung sa Clarins, it's $90. Eh yun, the whole set ng skincare, yung whole set nun, yung ilalabas nila, $49.95, 4 na klase na. Toner, moisturizer, ano pa, tightener, saan ka pa? Organic certified. Oh, di ba? Number 3, we have a 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Hindi mo nagustuhan yung product natin? Hindi ka nasarapan sa lasa? Okay lang. Sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money if it will not work for you. No questions asked. Ibalik nyo lang yung empty bottle. We'll refund your money. Saan ka nakakita ng ganyang company, right? Yan. Number 4, nothing to buy or sell. You are not compelled to sell nor to buy. Pero pwede kang bumili, isa, okay. Marami, okay. Wala, okay din lang. Lahat okay. Saan ka pa? No auto shipping. Walang dinidebit sa card mo ng mga products para lang ma-maintain mo yung membership. Ang requirement lang, just pay the subscription just like how you pay in Netflix, how you pay in Amazon, how you pay your bills. Ganun lang po siya. So predictable yung babayaran mo per month. It's just a subscription. Bawing-bawi, di ba? Oh yes. Pag bumili ka ng products, yung International Wellness Pack, $40 kagad ang savings mo doon dahil member ka. O ilan lang ang binabayaran mo? $10. So may $30 ka pa na na-save. Naku, magkwenta po tayo, no? Ayan, number 5, powerful compensation plan. Dahil meron tayong affiliate program na naka-attach sa membership club natin, well, our compensation plan is very simple, doable, duplicatable, wherein you have an income opportunity. So darating yung time, yung binibili mo, baka malilibre na. Why? Because you're doing the compensation plan. Ang compensation natin, ang complan natin, very powerful, yet very simple. na kayang gawin ng everyone, everyday people. It is designed for everyday people. It is designed for the masses, no? Hindi mo kailangang maging batikan o maging anong tawag nito? Network marketer na malupet, no? To work on this. 'Di ba? Actually, lahat naman tayo network marketer eh. Nine-network natin kung ano-ano. May magandang restaurant. Anong sasabihin mo? Kukwento mo. So, that's network marketing. So, huwag mo sasabihin na hindi ka network marketer. Right? Yan. ang networking, kumbaga, ano na yan? It is a, anong tag doon? Lifestyle na hindi nyo lang napapansin. Hindi lang tayo binabayaran. Network marketing is a way of life. No? Tandaan niyo yan. Hindi lang kayo binabayaran na network. But with Live Good, babayaran ka when you share the business. Diba? And number 6, timing is everything. We just launched. 2022 lang. No? Ano sabi ni Ben? We haven't started the engine yet. We haven't scratched the surface yet. Nagwa-warm up pa lang tayo. So is it the best time to join? Yes. You are the right place at the right time. The question na lang is, are you the right person for this company? Well, if you will resonate with the mission and vision, then you are the right person. Right? Okay, so ganun lang po siya. Now, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Janet, ang dami mo nang sinabi. Paano na ba ang maging member dyan? Well, simple lang. Just be a member if you just want to enjoy the products. Be an affiliate if you want a global business. Dahil ang negosyo natin, hindi lang sa US alone. We are in 230 countries. So ano ibig sabihin yan? May negosyo ka, international ang business mo, for only how much? Diretsahan na, $49.95 or $139.95. Wow, international business? Yes. Saan ka nakakita ng international business na ang puhunan mo 8,000? O sabihin na natin 3,000 kung hindi ka pa ready sa 8,000. No? Saan ka nakakita ng negosyo na ganyan kaliit? Sari-sari store, anong itsura ng sari-sari store mo? Fishball, food cart, magkano ang food cart? 20,000. Eh yung mga permits pa, sanitary permits, business permit, yung babayaran mo pa. So bakit hindi mo ma-appreciate ito? Right? $49.95 or $139.95. And all you have to do to start is just to grab the link of the person that invited you here today or doon sa nagtag sa'yo sa Facebook. See? Yan. Dapat talagang i-immerse nyo ang sarili nyo sa sinasabi ko po ngayon. This is a global business. At kaya namayagpag din ang ganitong industriya noon because of the power of leveraging. Because sa ganitong industriya, you multiply your time through others. You multiply your time and effort through others. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Sa ganitong industriya, you are not by yourself, but for yourself. We have a team building structure na very powerful. Ngayon, itong $49.95 na yan, ano makukuha mo? Well, wala tayong heavy entry packs, wala tayong physical products, but we have digital products. Dahil level up na tayo, we are in the digital era. We are already in the e-commerce age. So, ibig sabihin nun, level up ka na. Meron kang isang napakagandang website, napakagandang portal na hindi lang iisa ang website mo, para padami ng padami. Nag-umpisa tayo sa 3. Ngayon, ilan na meron? May health site ka pa. Meron ka pang pre-detox site, no? Pero ang pinaka-main natin dito is we have our corporate site, we have our retail site, and we have our Tourlink site. Ngayon, ang madalas natin gamitin is yung Tourlink site kung saan pwede mong i-share ang business mo worldwide in 200 countries. Ngayon, darating yung time na kahit natutulog ka, pwede kang kumita. Bakit? Dahil international. Magkakaiba tayo ng time. Gabi dito, umaga dyan, matutulog na ako. Meron akong taga dyan sa Pilipinas nagdi-network because we have a very powerful deep team building structure. Tayong dalawa nagti-teamwork. Kahit natutulog ako, nagmamarket ka dyan. Pag tulog ka, ako naman ang nagmamarket. So, tulungan system. Para kang may franchise in 200 countries. Every person na makakausap mo at magjo-join, para kang may franchise. Nag-invest ka ba o nangapital ka ba ng milyon? Hindi. Magkano kapital mo? 3,000 or 8,000. Saan ka pa? Kaya I don't understand bakit hindi nyo ma-appreciate ang lingkod. Yung mga iba na bumibitaw, I feel sorry. Ito na, kung kailan pinadali ang negosyo, saka hindi nila maintindihan. Yeah? Yan. Are you happy with the system of Live Good? Ngayon, we are going to the exciting part na ituturo natin kung paano gawin ang Live Good. Who is ready? Type 1 para yan, sa 3,000 na andito ngayon. Hay, nako, habang ako umiinom. So, if you are ready, ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-type. Sir Prudente, Ma'am Eden, Coach Nicolene, o andito si Coach Nicolene. Hello, very happy si Ma'am Eden. Walang katulad ng Live Good. Yes, tama-tama. Ayan, totoo yan, Coach Nix, no? Si Coach Nix talagang laging gigil yan lagi, no? Yan. Okay, eto na. Alam niyo po, at this point in time, no, hindi na namin kailangan patunayan na nag-work ang system ng Live Good. Bakit? Ang dami na po nagka-resulta. Merong mga andyan, sinasabi nila how they earned, paano nabago yung buhay nila. Pero mas marami ang hindi nagkikwento at nabago ang buhay nila. What we are teaching you right now is not how it works. I mean, it's not the way na the system works, but how it works. So, ang ituturo natin kung paano mo siya gagawin. Diba? Kasi yung system dyan, gagana ba yung system? Hindi na natin ituturo yan dahil ang dami na po nagka-resulta. Ang ituturo natin kung how it works, paano nila ginawa, paano ang sistema ni Live Good, di ba? Yan. So ito na, 7 ways to earn. Simple lang. We have 7 ways to earn pero didiinan natin yung 3 buckets, yung 1, 2, 3. Weekly fast start, commissions, matrix commission, matching bonus. Dahil yung 4, 5, 6, 7, magiging dependent na rin yan later on dun sa 1, 2, 3. No? Kaya ang didiinan natin is yung first, second, and third. Okay, so paano gawin ang Live Good? Okay, ang dami na nagka-resulta. Hindi na tayo magkikwento tungkol dyan. Ay, kikwento na natin paano mo gagawin. Kasi yung resulta, given na yan. Basta ginawa mo ng tama ang sistema. Number 1, weekly fast start. So, ayan, naka-enroll ka na, na-excite ka na, naintindihan mo yung compensation plan, right? So, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Sinubukan mo yung product. And then, gumanda pakiramdam mo. What's the next thing that you would do? You will talk about it. Uy, alam mo, bumuti ang pakiramdam ko. Then, ikwento mo sa isang taong sa tingin mo kailangan ng product or ng business. That's all. Join, use, and share. What do you have to share? Share the business. Dahil pag share mo yung business, kasama na yung produkto. For every person na pag-sharean mo, you get a 50% discount. You get a 50% commission, I mean. That is $25. That is 1,400 pesos. So magkano ang minimum wage dyan sa Pilipinas? 600. Depende pa kung probinsya or city. Magme-makeup ka pa, magbibihis ka, bibili ka ng makeup mo, ng kung ano-ano, mamamasahe ka pa, matatraffic ka pa, right? 600 pesos. Ngayon, dito, you could do it online. You could do it using your phone. Now, sinasabi natin, phone, we have smartphones. Well, I tell you, pag ang phone mo, hindi mo nagagamit sa negosyo, your phone is not smart. So use your phone. Use your phone in your business. Use your phone. Gawin mong business yan. No? Yan. Okay. So, simple lang. If you refer 10 affiliates every week until midnight, mamaya 12, 1. Okay? Then, 25 times 10, meron ka kaagad $250 fast start bonus next week. Magkano yung $250? Kayo na ang mag-compute. Magkano ngayon ang palitan? Sabihin na natin, 59.59 times 2. Ilan yan? For 1 week alone. And we are just talking about weekly fast start commission. At hindi nagtatapos dyan. Meron tayong ranking. The more you rank up, lumalalim lalo yung fast start commission mo. When you rank up to the first rank, bronze, napakasimple, just sponsor, share it with 2 people that you know, 2 of your favorite people, may additional 10%. Kasan manggagaling yon? Doon sa, di ba, yung first mo, okay, yung first mo is your direct, right? So 50% sa direct mo. Ngayon, syempre gagaya yan sa'yo. Gusto din nila mag-direct, right? So meron silang 50% commission. Ikaw, hindi mo na kilala, possible na hindi mo kilala, pero meron ka pang 10% doon sa inisponsoran nila. Ganon ang compensation plan natin. Ganon ang comp plan natin. Ganon ang team building structure natin. Naka-design siya to help one another. That as you rank up, lumalalim yung fast start commission mo. Ibig sabihin nun, action takers are being rewarded by Live Good. Ibig sabihin nun, equal footing tayo. Ibig sabihin nun, pareho tayo ng opportunity regardless kung nauna ka, nahuli ka. Ang labanan dito kung sino ang nagtrabaho, which is very fair. Diba? So the more you rank up, pag nag-diamond ka, lumalalim hanggang 10 levels ang weekly fast start mo. First way pa lang yan. Ngayon, second way. Remember, we have 2 building structures. Yung enroller tree, we have 2 genealogies, the enroller tree and the matrix tree. Ngayon, mag-concentrate tayo sa matrix tree. Ang matrix tree is where you get your matrix commission. So when you join, ikaw yan. And, syempre, lahat ng masisharean mo will be a part of your matrix. Okay? Will be a part of your matrix 3. Ngayon, lahat ng papasok dyan sa matrix 3 mo, whether direct or indirect, you will have 2.5%. Saan manggagaling? Because these people were subscribed 9.95. Why will they subscribe? Because they want to maximize the compensation plan. Ba't sila magsusubscribe? Dahil gusto nila yung product. So, pwedeng dito, member or affiliate. Basta lahat ng papasok sa matrix mo, galing man sa'yo directly o hindi, meron kang 0.25 cents for as long as nagbabayad sila ng 9.95. Darating yung time, no? Kasi ang ating matrix 3 is 2 by 12. So, sa first level mo will only be 2. Second level is 4. Hindi pa pwedeng yung first level mo is 3 or 4. Basta dalawa lang. Second level mo 4. Third level mo 8. Fourth level mo 16. And so on and so forth. So, it's 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 100, ano yun, 128 to 156. So, pag dumating yung level 12, meron ka ng 8,192 members. So, hanggang kailan yun? Well, it depends. No? So, this will develop over time. Kaya ang tawag sa matrix commission is also retirement income. It will develop over time. No? Pero wag mong tatambayan itong matrix 3 mo or matrix commission because this is the slowest way to build your business. This is the weakest plan. The weakest part of the compensation plan. Ibig sabihin nito, bakit weakest part? Dahil 2.5%. But, kung gusto mong mapabilis na ma-fill up yung matrix mo, do the fast way. No? So, ito is slow way to build your business. The fast way, pag ginawa mo yung fast way, then, mas mabilis din na ma-fill upan itong matrix 3 mo. Ngayon, itong potential income ng matrix commission. Potential income, possibility, yung pwede mong kitain. Pwede ding hindi. Depende sa effort mo. Okay? Now, depende yan sa rank mo. Diba, hanggang pag-unrank ka, mag-umpisa tayo lahat sa level 12. So, ilang tao ito? 8,197. Saan nanggaling yan? Dun sa power of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Ayan. So, 8,197 to. Kaya, times 0.25, kaya ang potential income mo pag unrank ka is 2,047. Pag bronze ka at silver, ito yung potential income. Pag gold and platinum, 8,191.50. Pag diamond, ito, pag puno ang matrix. Okay? So, pag puno ang matrix. Ngayon, paano, Janet? Kailangan ba antayin mapuno yung matrix bago kitain yung mga yan? Hindi. Kahit na dalawa ang tao mo, halimbawa, kasi it will develop over time. Diba? Compounding po tayo. So, yung first level mo, 2 tao lang, that's 50 cents. So, ibibigay yan kahit na hindi puno. Ganon po ang matrix commission. No? Yan. Again, uulitin ko ha, para hindi tayo magkaroon ng miscommunication. These are just potential income. Pag na-perfect ang duplication. Okay? It will develop over time. Ngayon, dito tayo mag-concentrate sa third way, which is the matching bonus. The most important and the most exciting part of Live Goods Compensation Plan, the matching bonus. Paano nangyayari ang matching bonus? Ano sistema natin? Join, use, and share. So, dito na yung part na sharing. So, isi-share mo ang business. Okay, na-enjoy mo. Uy, meron akong nakitang negosyo, exciting kasi napakaganda ng products, ang ganda ng pakiramdam ko, isi-share ko sa'yo kasi kailangan mo din and kailangan mo din yung negosyo. Very lucrative siya. So, habang sinishare mo siya, it will open the gateway for the matching bonuses. Dahil every person na pinag-sharean mo, once na yun, nag-share din, no? 50%, no? Di ba may matrix 3 ka? May matrix income ka. So siya din na nag-share, meron din siyang matrix 3 at matrix income. Ngayon sa matching bonuses, ang sinasabi ni Live Good, mamatchan ko ang 50% ng matrix income ng yung direct. Wow. So kahit magkano, yes, may capping, wala. Okay? So, ang sinasabi dito, whatever your personally enrolled people earn in their matrix pay, you earn half. Hindi babawasin doon, pero tatapatan. Ni Live Good. Kaya nga tinawag na matching bonus. Hindi yung alam nyo na matching bonus na pares-pares, left, right, tatapatan. Hindi ganon, no? Hindi ganon na pares. Ito, tatapatan yung 50% ng matrix income ng yung direct. No? Unfair nga yung binary, yung pares na alam natin eh. Why? Ang binabayaran lang yung shorter leg. Hindi binabayaran yung trinabaho mo. Oh, 'di ba? Walang ganon. Wala tayong pares-pares dito. Ang matching natin dito is tatapatan yung 50% ng matrix income pay. So, sa personal pa lang yan. Ngayon, once na nag-silver ka, ito good news, may generational bonus pa. Additional 10%. Pag silver ka, doon sa first and second generation mo. Yung anak ng inisponsoran mo. At saka yung anak ng inisponsoran ng sponsor mo. And then, sa gold, hanggang third generation. Pag platinum hanggang fourth generation. Pag diamond hanggang fifth generation. So, darating yung time na pag ikaw diamond, and then may diamond ka, binabayaran ka multiple times sa isang tao. Ganon siya kaganda. Isn't that amazing? Diba? Ngayon, para mas ma-appreciate nyo na naman to, eto na naman. Oh, para mas makita nyo, actual na to, ilatag na natin. Galing sa office ito, sa back office mismo ng isang diamond leader. Para mas maintindihan nyo yung matching bonuses. Lahat ng personally enrolled mo, ito yung matrix income. Ito para sa kanila to. Ito ang matrix income nila. Anong sinasabi sa Live Good? Lahat ng direct mo, tatapatan namin ang 50% ng matrix pay. Yun ang para sa'yo. Okay? So, ilan ang 50% nitong una? 147. 50% ng 295.25. Ito, may direct ka uli. Kaya masarap mag-direct. Ilang direct yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Puro active lahat. Ngayon, 50% binigay sa'yo. Lahat ng matching bonus na column, para po sa inyo yan. Personal enrolled pa lang yan. May silver siya sa second generation. Ano sinabi? Pag may silver ka, no, merong 10%. 10% ng ng matching bonus niya. Ng matrix pay niya. Okay? Meron siyang platinum sa first generation naman. Ano sinasabi? Pag may platinum ka, merong 5% hanggang fourth generation and nasa first generation. So 5% is ng 338, 16.91. May gold siya. So meron uling 5%, 16.91. Ang nangyayari pa minsan, pwedeng the same person yung nasa silver mo, sa gold mo, sa platinum, depende kung anong rank nyo. rank niya. Diba? That's how amazing. So dito ka mag-focus dahil the more na na-share mo yung business mo at naduduplicate ka, then mas mabilis yung matrix mo. Matrix 3 na napupuno. So ibig sabihin no, na ma-maximize mo yung compensation plan, na ma-maximize mo yung earning potential. Ngayon, ganito yan. Pag nakafocus ka doon sa matrix income, pambayad lang po ng bills yon, because the matrix income will only help you to pay your bills, but the matching bonus will change your life. Kaya dito po tayo mag-focus. No? Yan, okay? Are you happy? Are you happy? Nakikita nyo yung potential nito? Very happy. Ayan. Very happy si Mamiden. Ayan. Yes po, dapat talaga, like natin mabilis kumita. I-share ng i-share. So live good. Then at the end of the day, we will earn massive income. Yes, ma'am. You know what? It takes time. Success does not happen overnight. No? It is a process. It is a journey. 'Di ba? Ganun naman eh. Matakot ka kung mabilis yung success mo kasi mabilis ding mawala 'yan. Tatandaan niyo 'yan, no? Yan. Okay, so retail commission, eto na, kung mahilig kang magbenta, pwede din, no? Yung mga mahilig mag-direct selling yan. But you know what? Eto, naka-design po itong retail commissions, no? Para po dun sa mga hindi mo ba makumbi-kumbinse o kaya dun sa mga gustong itry muna and then later saka sila magme-member para hindi masayang naman yung tutubuin mo, no? So, halimbawa, yung coffee, syempre ayaw mong member pero gustong itry yung coffee, magkano yun? Retail price 28. Magkano ang members price 18. Yung price difference noon, maghahati kayo ni Livgood. So, ganun lang siya. Ngayon, pwede mong gamitin to first time. Sige, pero next time, encourage mo na siya to do the business. Pangalawa, bukod dun sa masisave niya, no? Una, masisave niya. Pangalawa, may negosyo din siya. So, dalawa na kayo na nagtutulungan, no? Huwag mo na, sa umpisa, okay lang yun na magtubo ka sa kanya. Next time, yayain mo na siya sa business, di ba? Oo. Kasi nga, di ba, ayaw natin ng, we are already done with the old way of doing it, no? So, andito na tayo sa era ng talagang, ang tag nito, digital age na, no? Yan. So, done na tayo dun sa bit-bit natin yung products, ipupush mo yung products. Although, pwede naman natin gawin yon dun sa mga first-timers na gusto. But after that, you share the opportunity. Kasi hindi lang naman ikaw ang makaka-enjoy ng retail commission. Kundi, syempre, i-share mo din yon para ma-enjoy din nila yung pag-rank up at the same time yung pagbabago ng buhay nila. Di ba? Yan. And of course, yung customer acquisition bonuses, hindi natin pinagkakakitaan ng mga purchase ng mga downlines natin, no? But, Live Good is very generous sa lahat ng first time or first purchase ng mga direct natin, not only direct, but also anybody na dadaanan nung ating organization, no? Meron tayong customer acquisition bonuses following the fast start and the retail commissions. And of course, influencer bonuses, kung kayo po ay, very powerful ang social media ngayon. If you want to promote our products, okay lang. Now, if you reach 2,500, then additional 10% yun sa commission. Sa nanggaling yung 50 doon sa retail commission. So, making it 60%, right? And pag na-reach mo na ang 50,000, then additional 50%, making it 100%. No? So we just want to explain the business very simple, no? Para mas madali niyo siyang gawin. And number 7, of course, tatanungin ko, who wants to be a diamond? Alam ko, ang daming mga potential diamonds dito eh. So actually, itong 3,100 na to, alam ko, yan mga diamonds dito eh. Sige, who wants to be a diamond? Type 1. Ayan. Or type D. Ayan. So, once you become a diamond rank, you will get to share in 2% of the total sales every month, including the memberships. So, merong 2% from the gross sales, hindi sa net. Sa gross sales noon, and then i-divide among all diamonds. Malaki yan, no? And walang seniority dyan. Basta importante, pag na-hit mo yung diamond this month, then qualified ka na kaagad for the, ang nakakatuwa pa, Unlike dun sa traditional, no, na pag nag-rank up yung downline mo, may breakaway. Dito wala. Mas lalong mamahalin mo ang mga magda-diamond under you because you will be sharing a part of the earnings as well. Because of the, ano yon, di ba? Meron kang, of course, yung matching, no? Imagine pag ang direct mo tapos nag-diamond ka rin. So can you imagine gaano kalaki 'yon, no? O tapos nag-diamond ka pa, 'di ba? Kaya napakaganda po dito dahil lifetime yung membership natin, wala tayong breakaway. Once na nag-rank up yung mga downline, mas matutuwa ka pa kasi wow, ang galing mo. Kaya dito hindi ka matatakot na ang ma-sharean mo is mas magaling sa'yo. Mas advantage yon, di ba? Yan. So, done are the days din na tayo ay nagdadamutan. Yan, di natin kagrupo yan. Oh, mauuna pa ako dyan bago ko turuan yan. Oh, hindi, mas kailangan mo turuan ng downline mo kasi pag lumabas na mas magaling siya sa'yo, then that's very, very good. No? Yan. So, ang daming maganda talagang good vibes ang live good kung talagang uunawain. Di ba? Agree ba kayo doon? Di ba? Yan. Thank you, ma'am, sa lahat ng nag-reply ng diamond. Okay. So, ito lang po yung rank qualification, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Yan. So, simple lang. Simple lang ang mga qualifications actually. Bronze, 2 personal enrolled active members or affiliates. No? Ngayon, syempre, mas maganda kung affiliates ang makuha mo para meron din siyang opportunity na makapag-rank up. Kasi kung member yan, yes, makakwalify ka as bronze, pero ikaw lang nag-rank up, di ba? Kaya mas maganda, mas suggested natin na affiliate din ang makukuha natin, no? Okay, or pwedeng member and then eventually mag-upgrade, no? For as long as they will be active. Then silver, you only need a total team of 20. 3 options yan. Pwedeng yung bronze mo, dagdagan mo ng isa. Tapos yung mga yan, mag-sponsor din, mag-share din. Then may total team of 20. Then silver ka na. Now, second way, 10 personally enrolled, total team of 20. Third way to do it, 20 na direct dahil ikaw ay malupit. At talagang ang influence mo talagang super. Then, once you have 20 direct, silver ka. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. And then gold, yung gold mo, gawin mo lang silver, yung 3 bronze mo, plus total team of 100, then you're gold. Wala kang silver. Okay, go for the 30. May 30 ka, very influential ka nga. Meron kang 30 directs and a total team of 100, kasama yung 30 directs. Siyempre, ituturo mo silang mag-duplicate. No? Yan. So, kung wala kang 30 na personally enrolled naman, then basta meron kang different legs, tapos bilangin mo yon. May total team of 100 ka, not exceeding 30 sa isang leg. No? Yan. So, gold. Platinum, yan. Gawin mo lang gold. Yung 3 silver mo plus total 500, then you're a platinum. Wala akong gold Okay, second option. Malupit ka nga. Influential ka nga. Diba? So, mag-100 halimbawa lang na nakapag-direct ka ng 100 dahil talagang they trust you. 100. Tapos yan, mag-sponsor din. Total team of 500. Then, meron kang, then platinum ka. Okay, that's second option. Third option, wala akong 100. Wala din akong gold. Anong gagawin ko? Basta marami kang leg, bilangin natin lahat yan at exceeding 150 ang isang leg. Basta may 500, then platinum ka. Okay? You know what? Ang qualification ng pag-rank up, talagang very flexible. Mamimili ka lang kung saan talaga sa'yo, mag-work sa'yo. And of course, sa diamond, total team of 2,500 lang, no? So yung gold mo, i-convert mo siya na 3 platinum. Okay, so plus, and a total team of 2,500 kasama na yung platinum mo diyan. Pwedeng 1.5 ito, and then 500, 500, no? Pwede yon basta platinum siya, di ba? Ngayon, kung wala kang platinum, gawin mo power of 5 na laging tinuturo ni Coach Fernan. 500, 500, 500. Okay? Ngayon, kung wala pa rin, gawin mo power of 10. Tig to 250 naman. O, times 10. O, di meron kang 2,500. So, very flexible ang ating rank qualification. Okay? Yan. And of course, pag Crown Diamond, total team of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enroller 3-leg. We have 3 Crown Diamonds. We have our very own Coach Fernand Santiago. Ayan, siya ang first Crown Diamond sa Philippines, no? And the second Crown Diamond sa buong Livcod. Of course, our first Crown Diamond is Tim Miller. And number 3, meron na tayong pangatlong Crown Diamond from Kazakhstan naman, no? Tatlo pa lang sila na nag-share dun sa 0.5%. Okay. Yan. Okay. So ito, cheat sheet lang natin. You could screenshot this one and then you could just review it. Pag-aralan ng konti how you're gonna explain it in case na may magtanong. So it is very important that you have to invest on your knowledge, no? Para pag may nagtanong sa'yo, lalo na pag mahilig kayo nagpo-post, ano ba yon? So at least may pattern ka, no? May script ka how you're gonna do it. You could play it around hanggang sa mabihasa ka na. Pag alam mo na talaga to, kahit bali-baliktad, magagawa mo na siya. Just talk about Live Good and ano ang model niya. Talk about ano ang meron na products natin, bakit natin inuna. And then talk about the concept. Now we are just like what you know ng mga membership clubs. Anong pakakaiba lang natin is that we are the membership that pays. Yun ang edge natin. So, ganun nyo lang po siya explain. Very simple lang. Actually, you could explain it in 5 minutes. Diba? And then, now if they're interested with the products, then focus on being a member. If they're interested with the business, then focus on the 7 ways to earn. You know? Yan. So, depende. The question is that do not ask. Itong tip ko po sa inyo, no? Ito na, lesson na tayo. Whenever you are prospecting, the question that you have to ask is, ano kaya ang mas maibibigay ko sa taong to? Do not ask na, magkano kaya ang kikitain ko sa taong to? You always have to ask na, paano ko kaya matutulungan itong taong to? Meron kaya siyang problema sa health o meron siyang problema sa bulsa? So that's where you are. And very important is you have to master the art of active listening. It is very important that you ask and then listen sa mga sagot niya. You know, prospects do not care about how much you earn. Huwag nyo silang imo-motivate kung magkano ang kinita mo or what. That would come later. Especially yung bago. It will come later. Kasi ang mangyayari noon is usually, ganito yung counter. People don't care how much you earn, lalo na pag first encounter mo. Ito ang laging tatandaan nyo. People don't care even how much you earn and how much you know until they know how much you care. Kaya dapat lagi ang focus mo, ano ang kaya kong ibigay sa taong to. In that way, when you build that trust dun sa taong yon, that person will join you. Yeah? Yan. Okay, o yan, may tip na kayo ha. Okay, so ang roadmap to success natin, follow the GPS. Kagaya po, pag kayo ay nagda-drive, merong GPS. Tayo meron din dito. Get in, plug in, stay in. Get in, join now, not today, not tomorrow, but today. Do not delay. Do not overthink because that will paralyze you, no? Analysis by paralysis, no? Ang dami na po nag-isip niyan. 1.7 na po ang andito. So ano pa po ang iisipin niyo, no? Huwag na po kayo mag-isip dahil ang dami na po nag-isip diyan at ang dami na rin po ang talagang naging masaya sa Live Good. Okay? Yung mga hindi naging masaya, hindi po na-follow yung system. No? Kami po na andito magmula umpisa hanggang ngayon, naiintindihan po namin ang sistema. Kaya po, kayo po na andito, well, for sure, naiintindihan nyo. Second, plug in. When you join, ano susunod? Plug in. Attend trainings. First, learn your back office. And then, attend Zoom trainings hanggang sa ma-master mo. Because when you attend trainings, you will not only learn the business, but you will also develop your skills. No? Developing your skills is very important because leveling up, having a good personal development does not far exceed income. Ibig sabihin nun, magkakalapit lang yan. No? Habang natututo ka, nagle-level up ka, nagle-level up din yung bulsa mo. No? Very important that you have to learn skills as well. And of course, develop your attitude. Here, punong-puno tayo ng training. We are teaching you how to do the business, at the same time, how you develop yourselves to be a good leader. Hindi po tayo madamot sa information. Ang dami pong mga nag-share ng kanilang mga contents, gumagawa ng videos. So this is a collaboration of learning. We are very generous when it comes to information, and we make sure na lahat dito is being encouraged to contribute and be the best information giver. Okay? And lastly, stay in. So stay in, pay your subscription. Once you are plugged into the Zooms, hindi lang sa DMW, even with the corporate Zooms, once you learn your skill, once you know the system, staying in will not be difficult. Staying in will not be a struggle. Kaya among these three, ang pinaka-importante is plugging in. So always plug in. If your upline does not plug you in, find a way. Okay? Find a way. Pag hindi ka plug in ng upline mo, you have to find a way. Yan. Okay, so mindset is everything. No? Kaya nga mindset, because you have to set your mind into. Ngayon, ano ang nakikita mo sa sarili mo? Are you that kuting or are you that tiger? Are you that kuting na very timid, na laging natatakot, laging hindi sigurado kung anong gagawin because hinahunt ka ng mga paniniwala mo na hindi naman nanggaling sa'yo, kundi nanggaling sa mga taong nakapaligid na puro hearsay na naman? Or nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo na isang tigre, ready to roar, ready to conquer the world and ready to rise, not only to survive but to thrive? No? Mindset is everything. Ano ang pinapaniwalaan mo sa sarili mo? Alam mo, it is very important that you have to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, who else will? No? Yan, dyan ka lagi mag-uumpisa sa self-belief. Very crucial yan. Dyan lahat mag-uumpisa ang decision mo. Pag meron kang clarity sa sarili mo, if you believe that you believe in yourself, you can become unstoppable. Maniwala kayo. All you have to do is to believe in you. Diba? Ngayon, kung meron ka pang mga bagay that's holding you back dahil sa past failures mo, done na po yun. You cannot undo the past, but you can reshape the future. And the time to do it is now. Okay, change your mindset. Become a better you, become a better version of you. Start with believing in yourself, and later on, when you have clarity on what you want to become, on what you really want to believe, then ready ka na para mag-decide, ready ka na para mag-plan, ready ka na para mag-take action, ready ka na para i-monitor yung action mo, and then later on, you would really thrive and malalaman mo that you will become a person of value. Tatandaan niyo po yan. Mindset is everything. So just set your mind into the positive things, no? Nasa mind mo lang yan. It starts with a good mindset and everything will fall on its place. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Thank you for giving me the chance. Thank you for giving me the opportunity na magsalita ngayon. And of course, for creating value para po sa inyong lahat. You know that I'm always intentional in every Zoom that I attend. And of course, this is all for you because sa DMW, service is our brand. And doing acts of service will always be the best brand. So sana kayo ganun din. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Maria Jeanette saying thank you and see you at the top. Yon! Okay. Yan. Done na tayo. Are you? Are we good? Ayan. Kuting pa lang, wala nang kuting pa lang. Ano nabasa ko dito? Kuting pa lang, wala pang nagtitiwala. Sir Erwin, ganun ba? Hindi. tigre ka. Dapat sabihin mo yan, I am a tiger. Alam mo, Sir Erwin, tuturuan kita paggising mo sa umaga, sasabihin mo, I'm a tiger. Hanggang sa ma-accept na yan ng iyong heart and your mind. Kung sasabihin, kuting pa lang ako. Huwag ganon. You have to, ayan self-doubt na naman yan eh. Di ba? Ayan. Okay, Ma'am Myra, ayan. Very good. Sir Carl. Coach Carl, andito ka pala. Million thanks po sa service. Okay, magbasa tayo. Ma'am Eden, thank you so much. Huwag muna kayo aalis ha. Yan, thank you so much, Ma'am Jeanette. Sir, tanggalin mo yan. Delete yan, no? Anybody na walang self-belief dito, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, ngayon pa lang, delete. Kaya Sir Erwin, sasabihin ko sa iyo, delete that. Okay? I-delete mo na sinasabi mong kuting ka. Delete that. Okay? Matching bonus. Yes po, happy. Ayan. Okay, Ma'am Elizabeth. Oh, you're here, Ma'am Elizabeth. Okay, ayan, nasubmit ko na po yung picture mo. Okay, yes, grabe si Live Good. Liit ng puhunan, then international business pa yan with more than 200 countries pa sa market. Super ganda talaga ni Live Good. Sadyang marami po ang hirap na iintindihin. Close diamond, close-minded karamihan kasi sa scam ng MLM. Pero I believe time will come, makikita din nila. Yeah, don't worry, hindi naman po natin sila masisisi kasi talaga namang nasira po ang MLM. Lalo na sa Pilipinas. Kasi ang scam po, ang scam companies po, industriya na rin. So kailangan mas marami tayo mamayagpag para ipaglaban na ang Live Good ay hindi po talaga scam. No? Yan. Okay, so ano pa dito? Thank you, Coach Janet, sa leadership mo sa buong DMW. We're grateful to kagaya mo sa community. We are grateful din sa iyo, Coach Nix, ha? Dito, hawaan lang naman tayo ng ng energy talaga. So, we have to make sure na pina-follow natin yung system. Let us not reinvent the wheel. Kung sinabi ng system na ganito lang ang gagawin mo, doon ka lang, no? Kasi ang problema, pag masyado tayong nag-over-strategize, nakakalimutan mo na, ang tawag nito, hindi, nag-over-strategize ka, hindi mo na ma-master yung state mo. Dapat yun ang ununa mo, yung ima-master mo yung state mo, yung energy mo, na pag dumating yung time na, syempre, hindi naman lahat, lagi Pasko, no? So, ang nangyayari is, imbis na mag-hook ka pa rin dun sa system, gumagawa ka ng ibang strategy, hindi mo napapansin, yung strategy yun, hindi pala nag-work, then you will be creating a bad story. So, pag nag-create ka ng bad story, ano ang nasisira doon? Your self-image. Darating yung time, pati ikaw magsa-self-sabotage na. Kaya do not focus on strategizing. Focus on mastering your state, your energy, your mind, body, your mind, heart, and body. Na kung sinabi mo na hahataw ako, kung sinabi mo na ito ang gagawin ko, then yun ang mararamdaman mo, okay, follow what is there, and then yung galaw mo dapat sumabay dun sa iniisip mo. Kesa mag-over-strategize ka o mag-strategize ka, uy, bumaba ang, pag sinabi na bumaba halimbawa yung income mo, wala na, sira na yung state mo, ay bumaba na yung income ko, wala na ito. So, ang sinasabi ng ano mo, heart mo, wala na, kailangan mag-strategize na ako. Pero sinasabi nung ano mo, follow the system. Pero yung sinasabi naman ng puso mo, kailangan mag-strategize na ako. Gumawa ka ng ibang strategy na hindi naaayon dun sa system. So, mangyayari, pag gumawa ka ng strategy na hindi ayon sa system at hindi nag-work, gagawa ka na ng ibang story ngayon. Ay, wala na, hindi na ako kikita dito, lilipat na ako. O kaya, ang ginawa mo minsan, ay wala, kasi mali yung turo ni upline, sinisi mo pa si upline, di ba? So, what are you creating? You are creating a bad self-image. Imbes na nagkikreate ka ng magandang image sa sarili mo. Because nakafocus ka sa income. Hindi ka nakafocus dun sa system. Hindi ka nakafocus dun sa inputs. Dapat you have to focus on the inputs than the outputs. Although inputs is equivalent to outputs. Output is the result. Pero dapat mag-focus ka sa inputs. Doing small steps consistently. Yung pagiging consistent mo, those will be your inputs. Na regardless kung nare-reject ka, focus ka pa rin. Kasi hindi naman araw-araw Pasko. right? Rather than focusing on the income na pag bumaba, mag-iiba ka na, gagawa ka na ng ibang strategy or lilipat ka ng ibang company. Self-sabotage ang mangyayari sa'yo doon. So always master your energy, master your estate. Sometimes kahit wala tayong strategy, if you master your estate, it will follow because you will be building a good self-image and people will trust you and people will join you. Ganon po yun. Oh? Yan. Okay, so before I end, I would like to take the opportunity then to remind everyone, malapit na po yung ating event. So I hope everyone is doing their part na mag-contribute. And when I speak of contribute, I'm talking about promoting, kung pwede pong i-request na itong 2,800 na andito ay kung pwede lang kung hindi kayo busy, talk about the event. Make a 1-minute video, sasabihin nyo lang na, hey, I'm excited, or iniimbitahan ko kayo, alam nyo po, isang malapit na ang ating event. Excited po ako na i-share sa inyo yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. And I would like to invite you sa aming event sa DMW. Napakaganda po, and we will be collaborating with different leaders. Ayan. So anything that you would like to talk about, basta ang center natin is the event, kung pwede lang pong mag-request. So kung meron po kayong ginagawa, pwede nyo po bang i-prioritize po muna yung event natin para po ma-maximize din natin yung attendance, no? Especially that we have very special guests from USA and also from Indonesia, kung para po very naman alive, at saka syempre iba pag marami tayo, hawaan talaga ng energy. So magre-request lang po kami ng ganon kung pwede po. Ayan, thank you Ma'am Elizabeth, thank you Coach Bernabe, and Coach Erwin. Ayan, so madali lang po. You just have to be authentic do sa video. Kung ano yung excitement na nararamdaman mo, excited ka nga ba sa event, di ba? Yan, kung excited ka, then invite. Kasi alam niyo po, kahit hanggang ngayon, meron pang mga na hindi alam na meron pala talagang event. Hindi daw nasabi ng upline. So kaya po namin nire-request na kung pwede massive tayo na gumawa ng content. Na kahit na hindi po techie, hindi na kailangang may pag ganyan-ganyan. Basta ikaw lang magsasalita, i-video mo, and then sasabihin mo lang na magkikwento ka na, alam niyo po, excited ako ngayon sa event ngayon. O kaya sabi mo, may ticket ka na ba? O kung hindi ko man kita nasabihan, ito yung opportunity na sabihin ko na, may ticket ka na ba para sa event? Diba? Yan. And encourage also yung mga OFW na kung hindi sila makapunta, then encourage them na i-invite yung representative nila. Especially that after the event, meron tayong special program na gagawin, di ba? Remember our goal for this year, yung sabi po ni Coach Fernan, go for 100 diamonds, di ba? So ang qualification po nun is that you have to attend the event para makapasok ka doon sa special GC na yon, na yung GC na yon ay talagang sa mga seryoso. Maghahawaan ng energy, magko-contribute ng mga knowledge nila, and lahat tayo ma-empower at magtutulungan talaga using the power of 3. So kung ito kulang ng 3 o kulang ka ng 3, o paano gagawin mo dyan? Sino ba ang pwedeng o sige, ipakausap mo sa akin. Ano bang niyan? Teacher din ba? Teacher ako. Sige, ako kakausap. O yan, yan? High school graduate din. O ako high school graduate, pwede kong kausapin. So parang ganon, no? Ayan. So maghahawaan talaga tayo, magtutulungan tayo regardless kung ano ang team mo, no? Dahil dito, ang goal natin, diamond. And once we become diamond, diba? Lahat downline natin. So, dun ang goal natin. So, everyone, muli po, ako po yung humihingi ng request. This is a request po hindi po ito utos, hindi po ito command. Kumbaga, kahit ito na lang po yung part natin para sa DMW po ang i-promote yung ating event. Kung po pwede lang po. Okay? Okay ho ba? Agree po ba tayo doon? Yan. So, tonight, there will be 2 presentations, si Coach Elmo and Coach Fernan. Yan. So, pag andyan si Coach Fernan, syempre, drop everything, makinig po tayo. At baka may mga updates din po. Okay ho ba? Ayan, okay. Ano po pagkakaiba sa gala at training sa umaga? Kasi mamamahalan po sa 5K lalo mga hindi po kumikita. Hindi naman po obligado na mag-attend po kayo ng gala. Yun lang naman po ang gusto. Ang pagkakaiba po is sa event, yung 8 to 5, more on training, recognition, inspiring stories, ganon. Sa gala po, talagang katuwaan yun, sayawan, yan. So talagang magbabanding po yun. Ganon po yun. So there will be drinks, may cocktail, yan. Yun po ang kaibahan, Sir Ronald. So, hindi naman po, kung talagang hindi naman po required doon sa gala. Pero kung gusto niyo pong ma-maximize since andun na po kayo, maganda din po na mag-join po kayo. Ngayon, Sir Ronald, sino po ang sino po ang apply ninyo, no? So, doon po sa mga gustong na gala, you could just reach out po, no, sa mga diamond leaders ninyo, or maybe sa mga active po, no, in case na gusto nyong magkaroon ng mag-attend ng gala and then hindi nyo pa ma-afford, then let us know para po gawan natin ng paraan kung may maitutulong po, like halimbawa pwede bang 2 gives 2 months. Tignan po natin, no? So, pag-usapan po natin. Hindi na po nag-respond. Lumipat po sa iba. Okay. Yan. So, yun po, Sir Ronald. So, sino po ngayon ng so gusto niyo po bang mag-attend ng gala? So, kung gusto niyo mag-attend ng gala, message niyo po ako, no? Yan. Okay. So, ano pa? So, I think wala na po, no? Yan. So, mag-closing na tayo. Siyempre, yung ating closing, yung ating jingle. Ayan. And thank you everyone for being here. So, magsayawan na tayo, mag-practice na tayo. Ayan. So, kung wala nang sasabihin si Coach Fernan, thank you again, Coach Fernan. Siguro busy na po siya. So, mamayang gabi, yun po ang toka niya. So, share ko lang po yung ating sayawan, syempre. Ay, bakit ito? Ayaw niya. Okay. Okay. Teka lang po. You cannot minimize Zoom when you are... okay. Hindi ko pa pala nabatay.